Integer multiplication is a very simple form of algorithm. We all know how to solve the multiplication of two digits. We have all solved the multiplication of two digits and its algorithm in class 2 or 3. In most of the algorithm pathways, there is an input and output, and the solution is proposed for this outcome, and the input is converted into the output. So in this case, the input is the two integer x and y, and the desired output is x times y. So these x and y could be very large numbers. So in this algorithm, which we have studied in class 2 and 3, and we know how to multiply two complex and simple digits, an algorithm will be studied who can solve these problems. For this purpose, we will see a very simple example of multiplication of 4 digits. These are all odd digits, 1, 3, 5, 7, and we will multiply it with the even digits 2, 4, 6 and 8. And we will multiply these two digits, and we all know how to solve this problem. We know that first we will multiply this 8, digit of 8, with 7, 5, 3 and 1. And in this case, we multiply 8 with 7 and we get the answer 6 and 5 and so on, and ultimately we get the answer 5, 8 and here 10. So we have solved the first byproduct of this multiplication, and in the second round we know that we have to put it cross here, and then again we multiply 6 with all these 7, 5, 3 and 1, and we get 2, 4, 1 and 8. In the third round we put two crosses here and we multiply 4 with all the 4 digits, that is 1, 3, 5 and 7, and we get the answer 8, 2, 4 and 5. And we all have studied this in very early ages. So last is 2, same process, and lastly we add up all of these and we get the answer 4, 3 and 3. So this is a very basic algorithm and we know how to solve this algorithm. So we can see here that if we have a 4 digit here and 4 digits here, so in the first step, if we see this figure, so we have to perform 4 steps. We multiplied 8 with all these 4, 1, 3, 5, 7. So these are 4 steps. So in the next circle, in the next round, we selected the 6 and we multiply with all these 4, 1, 3, 5, 7, 4. So in this way, we performed total of 16 processes. So it means that 4 raised to power 2. So it means that we have performed 16 total number of steps. So if we have 1000 digit figure and we multiply it 1000 digit figure, then we have to perform these number of steps, 1000 raised to power 1000. So the figure will be very much higher. So we have to perform total number of these steps to get the answer. So it means that if we perform the 2-digit multiplication, we have to perform this type of calculations in every row, means n number of rows, and we have to perform n2 times of multiplication. So every time we multiply 1357 with 2468, we get this answer. So it means that these steps which we perform to calculate these digits, they are the algorithms. So we perform a method and we get the answer, which is this one. So the question is whether there is some other methods to calculate the same answer by performing some different algorithmic patterns. So the answer is yes, we can perform some other methods and we get the same answer if we follow those methods. So in this video we learned how to multiply the two digits, and we have already studied in very early classes, class 2 or class 3, and we know how to calculate the product of two digits. And this procedure that we adopted is basically an algorithm. And I have told that to solve the problems of two digits multiplication, there are many other methods. So we will see in the next video that we can solve these problems with other methods.